Okay, hello, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company online, generate a little bit more exposure with Google. So I'll go over a couple of key factors. Content, backlinks, and citation are the factors we'll touch on today. Well, of course, understand every time you type something here into Google, into the search bar, these are considered keywords. And Google uses these keywords to find the websites that best fit the search criteria for what's being entered in here. Search engine optimization, SEO, and Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for the content relevant to these keywords and then categorizes those websites based on that. And that's how you would establish your rank factor. Um, Typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So we have your site here, general contractor, building homes and commercial projects. So I just typed in general contractor in Fayetteville to see what was going to come up. And of course, we have the ad section here. We have the map area or the map pack. This is related to a Google Business Profile, area of coverage, and citations that are linked to you, citations that are name, address, and phone number. There's a lot of exposure that gets generated from the Google map with near me searches, so it covers a lot of local traffic, and that can create a lot of sales. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So some people do know and some people don't know how do businesses and how do companies get here on the first page of Google. Well, aside from advertising companies like B&B, In-House, Angie, Yelp, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, and we get down here, this is an organically ranked site. They're on the first page, Southeastern Home Builders. So I kind of wanted to show you a little insight to what's going on with that. So here we have your website, and I have a tool that I can use. This tool is Ahrefs. It lets me see what's going on behind the scenes with a company or a website and how they rank and their internal content and their keywords that they're being found for. So like I said, backlinks are an important rank factor. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your site from another website, and that builds trust with Google. It builds popularity. Not all backlinks are created equal, so it's important to keep that in mind. You wouldn't necessarily want a landscaping company or your local Pizza Hut or something like that linking back to you. It doesn't carry as much weight and as much power as another contracting site or general contractor speaking of you within their site linking back to you. From that, I can see that you have 6 domains connected, and you're looking at roughly 40 keywords in your content, and that's driving about 39 views a month. Number 7 down there on the first page was Southeastern General Contractors. So to take a look at what they have going on inside, same tool, 390 backlinks, 48 referring domains, 75 keywords, and 68 traffic. Keep in mind, all these backlinks that this particular competitor or customer has, you can have these backlinks and then some. Looks like 75 keywords. You can freshen up or do a little content revise. You can have the 75 words or more. I would recommend more to move your business up. To give you a little insight on what kind of keywords that are driving a lot of traffic, the search volume per month for the particular term typed in. Aside from their name, general contractors, Fayetteville, 350, general contractor, 300, contractors, 250, home builders in Fayetteville, 450. So you can quickly start to see that all these keywords collectively added up together for whatever. Look at this one, North Carolina home builder, almost 3,000 times a month. So whatever somebody's typing into here, these keywords directly relates to the content within your site, and that will create a lot of exposure and a lot of potential clients and customers there. So you can have the keywords they have. You can take this from 14 backlinks and jump that up to 100, 200, and quickly increase your rank and start to see the value that comes with that. Once this content and backlinks and citations comes together and you start to outrank your competitors, you'll quickly see the value your business now has with the increased traffic that's coming from that. With that being said, I hope you have a little better of a better understanding of how that works or what's going on with the first page of Google. A lot of companies build um, beautiful websites, but some of them will fall short with content or SEO, and you'll start to wonder, I have a website, but I'm not generating a whole lot of traffic, and I don't understand why. So it's important to understand what a well-built site can do and kind of value and traffic that it can bring to you. If you find yourself wanting some more information, be more than happy to talk. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it, and have a great day.